Sadie and I are watching the Great British Bake Off, and I just did my nails. They're press-on, and they're the Kiss brand. I love press-on nails. They're so fun. Can't forget. Little ornament. It's a little ornament. I've been doing a little bit of shopping, a little bit of Amazon, a little bit of in-store shopping, and I think I'm almost done. I write a list and I put everyone's name down, and if I have ideas about what I want to get people, I write that down, and then as it goes, I either get them that thing and I cross it off, or when I'm shopping I find something like, oh, that's perfect, and I add it to the list so I know what I get people, so I don't forget. Because sometimes you'll buy someone something and you like totally forget about it if you buy it too early, and you'll forget to give it to them. So this is how I stay organized. And while I do that, I'm just enjoying the tree. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. I forgot to do this yesterday. So we got a little bell for the 7th, and for the 8th, oh, a little candy cane. Oh, and we got little Sadie babies. Just come in to say hey. Okay, so I'm at work right now, and while there are no events going on, I'm faking an event and staging the ballroom, and I staged the other room too, just to make everything look good, because people are still coming in to tour, and they're still trying to book for 2021. Hopefully people can keep their dates in 2021, but I just wanted everything to look good. And so if you don't know, my day job is like an event planner, and right before COVID, I had gotten a promotion to go to a different location, and I never got to start that location, but a few weeks ago, I got to start. And it's anticipation of hopefully being able to do events sooner than later and getting everything organized and ready to just go. So if you like planning parties and doing dining room setups like I do at my own house, you'll probably appreciate this. So what I'm doing is I'm representing each tier of the packages we offer. So that's going to be tier number 1. The linens haven't been delivered for that yet. This will be tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4 being the most expensive. And tier 4 doesn't really exist. It's more of like a create your own, which is super fun. You know, got the fun clear chairs, the fun textured napkin. I mean, the gold silverware, the really nice glasses. Oh, I just love it so much. And then of course we have a sweetheart table, and I thought a really fun idea is that like even if you can't spend so much money on like this table everywhere, you could just do a really nice sweetheart table and just do some fancy things for yourselves if you're getting married, and you know, kind of keep the rest a little more basic, but at least your stuff would be really nice. I just thought that was kind of a fun idea. And then packages 2 and 3 come with 3 cocktail tables. Of course, you can pay for more cocktail tables, but I just wanted to kind of show the variety of different kinds of linens for cocktail tables. These spandex ones are really cool because you can put an uplight underneath them and it glows, which is super fun. Those are just kind of the basic ones. And then, you know, coming into this textured linen here, this button linen is a little more expensive, but it looks so pretty. And then this will be the cake table. I'm just kind of putting this here to represent a cake. I'm working with a baker to give me a fake cake to put on display, but we got this velvet linen and it's just beautiful. I love it so much. So it's kind of what I'm doing. I'm waiting to get the linen for that, and this will be all for that table, and this table will be super basic. It's not even going to have floor length linen, which floor length is just always the way to go, but I got to represent the package because something we do if that's something you're looking for. I'll also show you this room real quick. I decided to do an engagement party themed event, Gatsby style. I even printed off some fake menus. But yeah, just super cute. This would also be really cool for like a New Year's Eve party, don't you think? I love it. And those last 2 rooms I just showed you, they're planning to renovate them soon. They just haven't done it yet. But I'm making do. And then in one of my favorite rooms, I staged like a ceremony situation. So I just want to show you how cute it is. Isn't that adorable? We have to have all the tableware inside from outside of our dining. So I kind of just utilized what we had. I didn't feel like bringing out the white wedding chairs that we had because why not utilize these if we have them? I just think it's so pretty. Made a little bar area over here, a little sitting area with the dance floor. You know, just working with what I got. But I think it's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed that little day at work with me. It's really fun. Yeah, go girl. There we go. Okay. Let's do this. And scoop. All right, go Kelly, go Kelly. So my friends just left. It was bachelorette night. We do it every week. It's so much fun. We like rotate houses. And tonight was a little more special because it was one of my friends' birthdays this week. Lori. We had a fun little night, and as you saw earlier, I love setting up table decor. I mean, I even still think this looks super cute. I made my curry pumpkin chicken soup. This is my second time making it. So good. And I've been posting my recipes on TikTok lately. Ashley Life, if you want to follow me. I have a lot of fun recipes on there. Easy, quick, delicious, low carb. Go check it out. Okay, but let's get to business here. All right. Aw, it's a little car. Look at this crazy girl. I'm trying to do my stretches after my workout, and she just loves to get involved. Huh, don't you? If you hear that noise outside. We're getting our cars washed. I got a new concealer. It's Laura Mercier. It's the, let's see, which one is it? Flawless Fusion. And I wanted to test it out. So far, just doing this, it feels so smooth. I can't even tell you. This is nice. I always put concealer on my eyelids to act as a primer for my shadow. Ooh. I think I really like that concealer a lot. It was so silky smooth, and even just the touch of it, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's so nice. I also tried a new glitter. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It has like chunks in it, but like only at the top. You just back there drinking water loudly, you crazy girl. Oh, when she sits like that, we call it proper pup. Are you proper pup? The glitter is this Smith and real cute, Sadie. Smith and Colt. See how it has a little bit of chunk, but underneath not so much chunk? I don't know. I'm feeling it out. I'm wrapping gifts right now, and I want to show you my setup and how I stay organized. Of course, I had to give myself a pretty view, so I kept the decor out, but I pushed it back. So I have all this table space. These are the gifts I'm about to wrap, and I have my baskets of fun. I have the name tags, my scissors, ribbon, and these are like mini boxes. I've got my Goo Gone for, you know, things that need goning. And then I have this little spool of ribbon here and the tape I'm using at the moment. And then I have my little book that keeps me organized, and I got extra ribbon and boxes. I got bags, I got tissue paper, and I have my wrapping paper on these chairs right now. So everything is like in a place, you know? And then I have this little plastic cup taped to my table so that I can throw little things away so there's not little bits of trash everywhere. And then I have a bigger bag right here that I'm throwing bigger trash. I just found the most fun way to give money as a gift. So I took like one of these gift card holders, and I used these little scissors to cut a little slit, and then I put the scissors back together and kind of like made the width a little wider. And I made a little pull tab, and I taped dollar bills together. It says pull. Look at this. I haven't done very much. I just did $3 worth to test it out, but is that not so fun? I'm so excited. Ooh, let's see what today is. Oh, a little horn.